Hello, grade 9. How are you? This is section 11-5, volumes of pyramids and cones. Volume of the pyramid as we know is a polyhedron in which one face can be any polygon and the other faces are triangles. The volume of the pyramid equal third base area of the base multiply the height. How to find the volume of a square pyramid with base edges of 15 centimeter and height of 22 centimeter. At the first, let's write the formula. Volume equal third base area multiply height. Since the base is a square, then the area of the square, as we know, side by itself, 15 multiply 15. Multiply the height of the pyramid, not the slant height, the height of the pyramid that connects the vertex and the center of the base. This is the height. Then area of the base, area of the square, 15 multiply 15. Multiply the height, 22. Then this equal 4,950. Multiply third equal 1,650 cubic centimeters. Find the area of a square pyramid with base edges 16 feet long and slant height 17 feet. Here we don't have the height of the pyramid. Let's at the first write the given informations. Here volume equal third base area multiply height, and the base here according to the given, this is square, then third base area of the square 16 multiply 16, then multiply the height of the pyramid. To find the height of the pyramid, we will draw the triangle, right triangle from the center of the base using this height, and we can apply Pythagorean if we know that this radius or half the side of the base sorry, half 16 is 8, then our right triangle with the hypotenuse 17 and this leg 8 and the other leg our height of the pyramid. Then we can find this height using Pythagorean. Height squared equal 17 squared minus 8 squared. Then the height squared equal to 125. Then the height equal 15. After finding the height, we can make substitution in our formula. Third base area multiply height, then third 16 multiply 16 multiply the height 15, then the volume equal 1280 cubic feet. What about the cone? The cone, it has the same formula of the pyramid, but its base is a circle with circular base, and we know that the area of the circle is pi r squared. Then we can put the area instead of b, we can put pi r squared h. Then the volume is third pi r squared h. Here find the volume of the following right cone with a diameter of 6 inches. Since the diameter is 6, then the radius is half. 6 equal 3. Then we can make substitution. Then the volume equal third bh, third base area pi r squared multiply the height 11. Then third pi r squared, the radius is 3. Then 3 squared multiply the height 11. Then third 99 pi equal 33 pi equal 103.7 cubic inches. How to find the volume of composite figure? We explained before that the composite figure is combination between two solids. Here we have two solids, cone and cylinder. We will find the volume of each one, then combine them. Let's find the volume of the cone at the first. Third bh, third base area multiply the height of the cone 10. The radius is 8 as you see here. Then third pi r squared, then third pi 8 squared multiply the height 10, this equal 670.2 cubic centimeters. Let's find the volume of the cylinder. The volume of the cylinder, we know that base area multiply the height. Base area pi r squared multiply the height 4. This is the height of the cylinder, not the height of the cone. Then pi 64 multiply 4. This equal to 156 pi equal 804.2 cubic centimeters. To find the volume of total of both of them, we will add the volumes of the cone and the volume of the cylinder. We will get that the total volume equal 1474.4 cubic centimeters. Solve the missing variable. Here the radius is unknown, the radius is r. Let's find the radius, the value of this radius. If we know that the volume is 110 pi, we know that the volume equal third base area multiply height, and the given volume is 110 pi, then third by pi r squared multiply the height 10. By crossing the pi from both sides, then 110 equal third r squared 10. By dividing both sides by 10, we will get that 11 equal third pi r squared. By multiplying reciprocal third to the other side, then 33 equal r squared, then r equal root 33 equal 5.7 centimeter. How to find the volume of an oblique cone? What is the volume of the oblique cone? Give your answer in terms of pi and also round it to the nearest cubic foot. Here this is the diameter 30, then the radius is half, 30 is 15, then the volume is third pi r squared h, third pi, the radius 15 squared multiply the height 25, then the volume equal 1875 pi, then the volume to the nearest cubic foot equal 5890 cubic foot. What is the volume of the oblique cone? Give your answer in terms of pi and also round it to the nearest cubic meter. The radius is 6 and the height of the cone of the oblique cone is 12. By following the same formula, third pi r squared h, then third pi, the radius 6 squared multiply the height 12, this equal 144 pi. By rounding to the nearest cubic meter, then here this equal 452 cubic meters. Finally, we explained in this lesson that the volume of both cones and pyramids, both of them, they following the same formula, third base area multiply height. This is our lesson. I hope it was very easy. Thank you for listening and have a nice day.